What's going on, family? We back, man, and I'm back in the garage with a new video for you guys. So check this out. I'm gonna show you how to properly vacuum and charge your AC system in your car. Now, first of all, you're gonna need some gauges. If you're gonna pull a vacuum, let's say you replace your condenser coil up front, compressor, anything, you did any type of AC work up here, and the system's completely empty, you gotta buy you a set of gauges, bro. Get you a set of gauges, get you a vacuum pump. You're gonna need a special hose to adapt these fittings, because these fittings are different. So you're gonna need you a special hose to adapt these to connect to your vacuum pump. For you guys, I recommend you buy the gauge set, then you buy the adapter so that you can fit it to your vacuum pump. Now, zoom on in, I'm gonna show you where to attach this stuff up. All right, family, now we got you zoomed in. So this one here, mark H, stands for your high side. So let's get that off. Remember, get your red line, connect that guy up. You're gonna pull back, push on, and release. Also, make sure the valve is closed. Now we can open it by screwing that in. So now we're connected. Now back there is our low side, cap mark L. Same thing, pull back, push on, and we're gonna screw that down. Now also, these are kind of fail-proof. You can't connect the blue side to the wrong side, and you can't connect the red side to the other side. So they're different sizes, so they only work for the size that they work on. So if it doesn't go on, you probably got the wrong one. Now that you're all connected up, we're gonna open these up, and we're gonna turn the vacuum pump on. We're gonna run the vacuum pump for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, now we got a vacuum. We're gonna close these valves. We're gonna turn our pump off. We're gonna let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes and make sure these needles don't move. If they move, you got a leak, you need to start over. If they don't, you're good to charge the system. So check that out, family. We got vacuum here, nothing moved, so we looking good. So what we're gonna do now is, we're gonna come down to our valves here. We're gonna close these off, right? So we're isolating the system, and we're gonna close this one off. Once you close it off, you can pull your valve off, because now that system's still underneath vacuum. How we're gonna break the seal, you can use a standard can like this, connect it onto your low side or your suction, and then we can charge the system. What we'll do is, to break the seal, we'll connect this and shoot a little bit in there, and that right there will break the vacuum, and then we can start the car, turn the AC on, and properly charge the system. So let's get this connected up. All right, family, so once you got your car started, you're gonna turn your fan all the way up. You're gonna turn it on max AC right here. All right, let's see what we can do. All right, family, now that we got the car on, the AC's on, we can start charging the system. So let's charge it up. Anything in the green is good, bro. So once you have it in the green, you come inside, check your temperature, make sure it's blowing cold, and that's it, bro. We'll give you a more in-depth view with my gauges and show you how to do it. Guys, so what you're seeing here is, I'm just gonna kind of explain to you the reading. Between 30 and 50 is kind of where you want your PSI to be, or your low side. This side is giving you your high side or your liquid side. And what you see here, so we have about 35 PSI. And if you look at this inner circle, we're about 40 degrees on the evaporator coil, which is perfect. And over here, we're about 115 on our condenser coil. That looks good. So that's basically me explaining the pressures. Right now, it is 93 degrees outside. So coming out of the vent, we have 52 degree air. That is a perfectly working system. Perfectly working. Hey man, so as you seen, man, we got 52 degree air coming out. Everything's looking perfect. Our pressures look fine. You just learned how to charge your AC system. Like, comment, subscribe, and you guys already know I'm out. Peace.